Hi all. That's the overview of our product competitor analysis. Just an overview to understand how it works and how it can be used. Please feel free to check our next video how to customize the template up to your needs and improve its quality. So what are we doing here? Here we have four tabs. We have competitors we're going to compete with, and we're comparing features in different product areas to understand where our competitors shine bright like a diamond and where do we need to focus, for example, what are our expectations and so on. So let's go one by one. Here we have a competitors table. You can add also any fields you want. You can put here some your real competitors and your own company, or just call it mine one, just like we did with Fibery. Here inside you could put some valuable information, and that's it. Then we can go to our view that is called features by product area. What does it mean? That we have some kind of product areas like sharing, permissions, that can be, I don't know, wiki, or project management, something like that. So that's if you don't use product areas, that's also okay. Just feel free to delete the type. And there inside, you see features you are going to investigate, to check by your competitors. So if you want to work on a single feature, like, I don't know, bidirectional links, for example, you want to track what can your competitors do in there, just feel free to add a new feature or add a new product area, something like that. Then on this level, we have a common understanding what are we going to track. And then we go to the lower level that is called feature score. So feature is something we're going to check, to investigate, and feature score is which competitor has about this feature. So for example, when I click on the Notion sharing entity, I see that this feature score is about sharing entity feature. It is about competitor Notion. I see when they released, and I put a quality here inside. So I think that this is high, and I can also add some notes, some comments, what is their marketing description, what do I think are their cons and bugs, and so on. So you can do this about every competitor, about each single feature. So sharing entity or group permissions. So that's totally up to you. That's not the best way. It's a good view to add, for example, new kinds of data. But there can be better visualizations. So let's go to this board. Here you see that all the feature scores from our competitors are grouped by the state. So, and I can see which competitor has where he has very high levels features, which one are okay, and I can have a quick overview about each of them. And to have a bird view to understand in which area, which competitor is the most powerful, it's nice from my point of view to use reports. So here we just grouped all the features our competitor has in this product area. It grouped the value of the features. So for example, this feature is 5 points and this feature is 4 points. So it grouped all the points among all the features in this product area, and we see where does this competitor is most strong. So for example, ClickUp is very strong at sharing, and speaking about permissions, we're at the same level right now, but maybe we will discover and check more features and the value will be changed. So there we can see where we can compete better, where do we have to improve, where do we have a potential. And speaking about unique things, I think it is nice also to use a whiteboard, so you can build more the visualization you really need. You can also add new competitors here, and you can jump to them right from the whiteboard. You can do the same with features. So, for example, if you want to compare one more feature, saying like bidirectional links, let's say that will be unique capability of Fibery. Let's add a card that is called bidirectional links. Okay, and let's convert it into a feature. Yeah, I cannot. Where is it? Where is our feature? Looks like this has to be improved. Okay, it's product management. That's it. So we're going to create a feature. Perfect. And that's it. And now I can open it and say that this is about new product area, bidirectional links, I suppose. And that's maybe must have in our product. And now when I jump to this part, I see a new product area here, a new feature, but you see it is not discovered in any competitors. So for example, I want to track feature score for ClickUp. So the name will be generated automatically. Let me open it. I choose a ClickUp. And as far as I remember, they don't have it. This is why quality will be doesn't exist. And it gives 0 points to the ClickUp. So then we jump to our board, update the data, and here we have new product area. So let's maybe add something else. We can add a new feature score, as that is something that Fibery has as well. Okay, that is Fibery, and our quality is pretty high, not incredible for now at least. Okay, and let's say this is a unique one. So you can track all the unique features your competitors has across all the product areas. Okay, now we go back to our visualization, and that's it. So feel free to customize any view, add new fields, new kinds of data, and instead of features, for example, if you want to track another kind of data, for example, I don't know, niche or personas, something for marketing, just feel free to customize that template. Thank you for your attention, and just feel free to ping us with any questions in the intercom. We will be glad to help.